How to remove green screen in CapCut. Open CapCut and you can bring in any green screen videos. What you need to do next is bring it over here and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can go to video. Under video, you can see basic right next to video. Basic is remove background. Just go ahead and tap on remove background and tap on this option of chroma key. Once you tap on it, just go ahead and tap on color picker. You can just go ahead and select the video option over here. After you tap on color picker, just go ahead and select the background color. So after you select it, you can see the option of background. You can increase or decrease the intensity, the shadow, and you can see options over here. So once you do this, you can now see that the background color has been removed. Although it's not totally removed, you can see that some of it has been removed and it has totally removed all of the green screen. So guys, this is how easy it is to remove the green screen on CapCut. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.